I'm Kelly from St. Louis, Missouri, and I had the CLR procedure in St. Louis at Brinton Vision. My vision growing up was perfect. I always had 20/20 vision until I reached about 40. I had dry eye, I would lose contacts in my eye, and I still had blurred vision on my distance, and I had difficulty looking up and reading notes, and then looking at jurors, because I'm a trial attorney, and I would have to go back and forth with cheaters, and then the jurors would be blurred, and then when I tried contacts, they were always extremely dry, and I would lose them often, so neither one of those two worked for me. I chose Brinton Vision because a good friend of mine did the same procedure probably 3 months ago. And honestly, I wish I would have come in 3 months earlier and done this. And he had great results, and I have too. The quality of patient care provided here was amazing. From walking in to the receptionist to everyone else, the technicians, everyone made me feel at home, very kind, professional, clean, beautiful. Everything that I was hoping for. My surgery experience was great. Honestly, 15 minutes each eye, and I felt like I was at a concert looking at a bunch of lights the whole time. I didn't feel anything, and I was in and out, and I was shocked how quickly and painlessly this was. My vision is amazing. I don't even remember seeing like this before the age of 40. I could not be happier. I can read my texts. I can look at computers, I can look down at notes, look up at the jurors, and there's no adjustment period. And honestly, life is beautiful and the world is clear. I would say to someone that has had their consultation and they haven't booked the surgery, or they're a bit nervous. I was as well. Clearly it's our eyes. But I would recommend that they sign up and get the procedure. I regret not doing this 5 years earlier. Just do it. I was hesitant as well, and I know it's expensive, but buying your eyesight, there's nothing better and nothing more valuable.